In this video, we put two X-maxes head to head on the Paddlesworth RC track. One is running stock electronics, whilst the other is running the Hobbywing Max6, which had not yet been programmed in anywhere, straight from the box and into the car.
Oh. Well, I can't see it.
Whoa. Well, what way around the truck?
I have no idea. I was watching you though. Oh, two-wheeler.
Ah! Off-roading?
Yeah, kind of. You're in a field.
Get away from me!
I don't think you can tell someone to go away in a race. Where you go at?
Cheers!
It's a lot more difficult, isn't it? Around the track. Especially when you're going the wrong way.
Whoa! Hey?
I'm coming. No, I'm not. No. Nah, we're good.
Oh, barrier! Oh, barrier! Yeah. Saved it. Yours is faster, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot faster. Oh, I nailed it again. Oh, that's a It is. Well, I'm gonna say I won that race.
Yeah.
Call it.
Go.
Saying that, you needed a head start. Mine's been slower.
Oh, no. Oh, saved it.
Here it comes. I can't judge that bit because of where the track is. Nailed it. Now we're good.
Give me a nudge. Not hard. Go around the other side. Go on.